Assert a function a method was not called using mock. I'm using the mock library to test my application, but I want to assert that some function was not called. Mock docs talk about methods like mock.assert_called_with and mock.assert_called_once_with, but I didn't find anything like mock.assert_not_called or something related to verify mock was not called. I could go with something like the following, though it doesn't seem cool nor Pythonic. Any ideas how to accomplish this?
This should work for your case. Sample.
You can check the called attribute, but if your assertion fails, the next thing you'll want to know is something about the unexpected call, so you may as well arrange for that information to be displayed from the start. Using Unitist, you can check the contents of call_args_list instead. When it fails, it gives a message like this.
When you test using class inherits unitist.testcase, you can simply use methods like assert true, assert false, assert equal, and similar. In Python documentation you find the rest. In your example we can simply assert if mock_method.called property is false, which means that method was not called.
Though an old question, I would like to add that currently mock library, backboard of unitist.mock, supports assert_not_called method. Just upgrade yours. Pip install mock upgrade.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.